Hey, here's 90 seconds of information for you on real estate. Number one, make sure you do not buy something that you have to take years of waiting for it to increase in value. Look for gentrification areas that people are being displaced because the prices are going up in value, because there's a Starbucks that's coming in, there's a new McDonald's around the corner. These are areas that are gonna give you a lot of value in the very near future. Number two, invest for more income. So buy yourself a multifamily that has over 4 units. You can use a commercial loan for that, and it won't actually be subject to your own personal income. Number three, make sure that if you are gonna buy some real estate, make sure you have a good team behind it, because you don't wanna be there managing it. You're not in the business of being a professional real estate. You want to be in the business of being an investor in real estate, right? Look, where I'm at right now, I don't have to be there, and I can manage all my real estate from my phone right here. All right, number four, make sure that if you're going to buy some real estate, that it cash flows with a 1% return. If you don't have a 1% return, which is 12% a year, then that's not the right deal for you. And number five is very simple. Do not, and I repeat, do not use a bank, use a national lender. Those are the best ones to use, because banks, they don't care. They're just in the business of deposits. But national lenders, they want your business when it comes to mortgages. All right, I'll see you on the next video.